I did this makeup super quick using all new makeup, so stay tuned to see how. Welcome to the Sloane Series. We are in my car, not because I got kicked out of my home, but because I've left the gym. I need to apply my makeup. My car is parked. I have 5 minutes. Carmindy has perfected the 5-minute face. It's pouring rain. I have no place else to go. Car lighting is perfection for makeup. I know I am not the only one who does this. I'm going to do my makeup in 5 minutes, the way that we all do our makeup in 5 minutes, using this very hot off the press new line of products. I just always get to work, park my car, put on some makeup before I go inside, or midday, leave work, put on my car, fix my makeup. I don't know, I feel like it makes me feel like I'm going to get someplace on time if I don't do my makeup until I get there. If I'm still doing my makeup at home, I spend a lot more time. I would never do my makeup while driving. I'm very anti doing anything in driving. Well, there's tape in my hair since I taped my phone to my steering wheel. Oh, and there's tape on my cheek. If I'm the type of person, I see you texting and driving on the street, I will lay on my horn to embarrass you. Because it's really dangerous and it's not cool. Oh, here's a fun tip. I keep hand sanitizer in my car so I can apply it before touching my face. I am going to use as little makeup brushes as I possibly can as well for this, since we're really doing 5 minutes on the go, easy breezy. Start by priming. Wow, that's a nice glow. See, before I looked glowy from sweat. Now I look glowy from this primer. It's so fun to use a brand new makeup line. This feels really good, really lightweight, almost like a serum. I'm gonna apply the least amount of foundation that I can, because I want to just kind of let my skin shine through, and then use the concealer any place else I need it. And since this foundation is very buildable, I can start out with a really light layer, and then in those areas I need a bit more coverage, really layer it. And I'm just building the coverage. I'm not getting any streakiness using my fingers, which is really nice. This is so buildable. I'm using the shade Light, and I think that it is a perfect color match for me. It's so funny because I was like, I feel like I need medium. I'm so tan right now. Concealer, concealer. Oh, that's lipstick. This is a very skin-like concealer. It's a good in-between of not being too matte or too shiny. I think it layers over the foundation really well. You can tell that they were made for each other. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put a little on my forehead. This concealer's beautiful. Okay, a little highlighter, never hurt anybody. I'm gonna use the Carmindy brush to highlight. I'm just sweeping it on. Okay. And I just need a little bit of setting powder over that one area. Okay, hold on. Okay, blush. See, blush, if you had 1 minute, I would say just put a little bit of blush on. Totally changes everything, right? Like, where did those cheekbones come from? Thank you, Carmindy. That's a beautiful shade. Let's do brows. What just came out of me? It's because I'm in the car. See, I would, for a look like this, just kind of brush my brows up, but I want to use the new products. Okay, good. Even though my brows are thick, the pencil is so thin, I can do those hair-like strokes that I love. It's so funny because I think I just spent 20 seconds on brows, and that pencil made it so easy. I'm gonna do a dab of the concealer under my brow bone because now my brows are popping. This concealer is really good. Really good. I can't believe how natural it looks. Even though I feel everyone does lips last, my lips are feeling dry, so I'm gonna just put on something to them. It's like a perfect nude. I'm using a bit of this taupe shade for definition for the eyes. Take it under slightly. And then I really, really love this blush. I think it's so pretty that I'm actually gonna take it and put it on my eyes. Wow. I feel like that helped to brighten and open everything. I love the way that this lipstick feels. I can't stop touching it. So, don't touch it. Okay, I've definitely gone over 5 minutes. That wasn't fast forwarded. That was just how fast I put on eyeliner. Mascara. You legally have to say mascara like that if you're driving in your car. Ooh, look how thin this brush is. Oh, I just heard lightning. I guess I live in my car now. Whoa! Look at this eye compared to this eye with the mascara. This is nuts. I only have it on the top too. Okay, let me put it on the inner corners. Wow. This wand made it really easy to get every lash. Oh. I keep getting surprised when I look up because I can't believe how big the lashes look. It's like, The one thing I will say is making this video, this angle, it's not my most flattering. I know what you're thinking. What angle? Head on? Ugh, I don't know. There's something about it. Do you guys know the trick for getting mascara off your eyelids if you get it on it? You wait for it to dry completely. Do not touch it while it's wet. Don't lick your finger. Don't use any wet Q-tips. Nothing. I'm talking about an emergency. If you're home and you have your eye makeup remover, that's a different case. Wait for it to dry. And you can just rub it right off. This concealer is one of the most buildable, lightweight. I could just keep putting it over the same spot and it looks like skin, but covered everything. It's really cool, right? I love it. I guess I'll keep it in my car forever. Really what I would need to do at this point is do my hair, but let's see. Again. Let's see again. Let's see if this time when I take my hair down, something new will happen. Optimism can go a long way, people. This is odd. I guess Carmindy is like a wizard or something. Made my hair look better too. I'll take it. And it stopped raining? What is happening? So I did my makeup in 5 or so minutes. I got carried away talking. Give me a break. That's not fast food bags. I took down my hair and it looks good. That never happens. And it stopped pouring rain. I used all new makeup products and I love them. What's today's date? Can we write it down? Can someone look up the astrology or something so I can know what good thing happened? Make sure that you are subscribed. Don't drive like this either. You're supposed to drive with your hands, not your knees. Make sure that you are A, subscribe to the Sloane Series, first and foremost. B, telling your friends about it. Don't be shy, please. 3, following us on Instagram, because Instagram's a great way to connect with people from all over the world. I don't know why I'm feeling so silly today. That's really your only homework assignment. And this is no filter, inside my car, natural lighting, just skin and Carmindy makeup. Quite chicane. Yeah, the hair's going back up. I know her. Charlotte's so crazy. I'm literally talking to myself. Not talking on Bluetooth. I'm truly talking to a reflection of myself. And if you have picked up Carmindy Beauty, let me know what you think of it. And if you guys have any suggestions for what you want me to do next week, let me know. I'll see you next time. Maybe I'll leave this car before now and then.